Hello everyone, in this video let us solve the circular motion problem. So here we have a particle makes 240 revolutions per minute on a circle of radius 2 meters. I want to find its period, its angular velocity, its linear velocity, and its acceleration. Now the first thing to write down is the key point given to us in this question. So we're given 240 revolutions per minute. Now this will give us an idea that this is frequency, and frequency is given by the number of revolution per time. So the number of revolution is 240. So 240 over the time is in minutes. So 1 minute as a 60 second. So over 60, right, is equal to, now dividing 240 by 60, you're going to get 4 hertz. And hertz is the unit of frequency. Okay, we're also given the radius also of 2 meters. So writing down radius 2 meters, right? Then let us calculate number one, its period. So number one, period capital T is equal to question mark. Now period is given by 1 over frequency. So period capital T is equal to 1 over, the value of frequency here is 4. Okay, so 1 over 4. Now T period is equal to 1 over 4 is equal to 0.25. Okay, 25 seconds. With this, we've solved for the value of period. The next one is its angular velocity. Number 2, its angular velocity. And angular velocity is denoted by W, and W is equal to 2 pi f. Okay, so 2 pi f. Now angular velocity W is equal to 2 times pi times the frequency value is 4, so times 4. Now W is equal to, multiplying 2 times pi times 4, you are going to get 25.13, and unit for angular velocity is rad per second. So this is final answer. The next one is its linear velocity, and linear velocity is given by v. So v equals to question mark, and the formula for v is that v is equal to angular velocity times radius. Okay, so v is equal to, the value of the angular velocity is 25.13. So imputing that, 25.13 times the radius, which is 2 meters, so times 2. Now the velocity is equal to 50.26. The unit of velocity is meter per second, and this is the answer. Number 4 is its acceleration. So A is equal to question mark. So A is given by velocity over time taken. So A is equal to, the velocity is 50.26. So 50.26 over the time taken, which is 0.25 seconds, so over 0.25, right? A is equal to, dividing this by this, you're going to get approximately 201 meter per second square, and this is the answer for the value of the acceleration. I hope you've learned one or two things. Thanks for watching.